Tonight we have a disturbing story about an event that has happened recently in the downtown area. We will now join our very own field reporter, Shub.
Jordan, tonight I'm at the house of Martha and Abby Brewster. In the cellar of this house lies 13 bodies. It is believed that these men have been poisoned by arsenic. We now are joined by local chemist Bree.
Good evening, and thank you for having me on your show. I hope to clear up some of this confusion in this case. The man is indeed poisoned by the element arsenic. Arsenic is the element that has symbol AS, atomic number 33. Its atomic mass is 74.92. Arsenic is classified as a metalloid. The colors usually are yellow and metallic gray. Arsenic is a highly poisonous substance. It can smell like garbage. Arsenic and its compounds are used as pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, and various alloys, bronzing, and in laser material. Thank you.
So now we know that arsenic is highly poisonous. Why would anyone poison 13 men with arsenic? That question is left to Martha and Abby Brewster. Welcome to the show. Now, will you please explain to us how and why you poisoned these men with arsenic?
First of all, there was only 12 men. The other man is not one of ours. Now, what was his name? It seems to have escaped me. Martha? Mr. Spinalzo, Abby. He was one of Jonathan's. We told him not to put him down with our gentlemen, but he wouldn't listen. As Abby said, there are only truly 12 men in the cellar. We are responsible for them, but not the other. Ah, Mr. Spinalzo. Yes, that was his name. Now, as to why we poisoned them, we had very good reasons. It all started when the first man had a heart attack and died in our house. We thought he looked so peaceful sitting there. We decided then and there we would help the lonely old bachelors gain peace. Yes, we wanted them to be peaceful. We didn't want them to go painfully, so we gave them wine, our special recipe. We added arsenic acid, cyanide, and just a pinch of strychnine. They departed us quickly after that. Our gentlemen, however, had time to tell us the wine was very nice. We gave them all special funerals and teddy buried them in the cellar thinking they were yellow fever victims. Every Sunday we put flowers on their graves, helping lovely gentlemen, just one of our many charities.
Thank you very much, Martha and Abby. Now we meet Darren Ehouse, who is a historian who would tell us some things about arsenic.
Well, arsenic used to be a very common poison in many murders. It took place in assassinations of political figures such as Napoleon Bonaparte, King George III, and the United States' very own President Zachary Taylor. Claire Booth Luce, also a political figure, became ill from arsenic. Research has been conducted on hair samples of Napoleon, but because of the large amounts of arsenic found in the soil he was buried in could not be confirmed as a murder by arsenic. King George III was exposed to fatal amounts of arsenic due to his medical treatment. President Zachary Taylor fell ill and died shortly after his appearance at the Washington Monument groundbreaking in 1850. Charles Francis Hall fell ill and died of arsenic poisoning because of self-medication. Arsenic was common in quack medicine already before his death in 1871. There have been many poisonings in the past, and many have died. But there are also been survivors. Claire Booth Lewis, also a political figure of the United States, fell ill due to arsenic exposure. There were trace amounts of arsenic in the paint chips of her ceiling. The arsenic seeped out of the paint into the air in which she breathed, fell ill, but fortunately recovered.
Hi. Thank you, Dara. Now to the Dr. Speedy.
Hello, Shuby. Arsenic, as said before, is a highly poisonous substance. Arsenic is found in food, water, household items, tobacco smoke, laundry detergent, seafood, table salt, and alcohol. It taken symptoms include headaches, confusion, sleepiness, convulsions, vomiting, diarrhea, kidney and liver problems, blood in urine, muscle cramps, hair loss, stomach pain, and in several cases, death. Systems in oxygen therapy and saunas.
Your face.
Thank you all very much for being a part of this program and helping us bring this story to the public.
I love you.
For that wealth of knowledge. So now we know that arsenic is highly poisonous. Why would anyone poison 13? I want to start over. Thank you, Brady, for that wealth of knowledge. So now we know that arsenic is highly poisonous. Why would anyone poison 13 men with arsenic, though? That question is left to Martha and Abby Brewster. Welcome to the...